I don't know about you guys, but like whenever I'm sad or feeling down, I always go outside and like just deal with nature and just relax and listen to the sounds of the wind blowing and the trees and just like the animals that are around, and the fresh air really helps too. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I get like a lot of cabin fever, and like I'm like, I gotta get out of the house, I gotta go do something. So a lot of time I'll go and enjoy the outdoors and go play around in nature, and I'll feel like 100% better. So one thing I'll tell you guys now, if you're depressed or you have like, you're feeling down, get outside, go outside. It makes you feel so much better. And I know that probably makes me sound like a huge hippie, but I'm okay with that. I enjoy getting out and just going and relaxing in the outdoors, and it makes me feel like 100 times better. But yeah, I definitely suggest you guys try it. If you do and you have depression in that and you like it, let me know if it works for you or not. And if it doesn't, I mean, you could say like, man, you just must be a crazy hippie because that shit don't work for me. I'm not going to be offended, but definitely give it a try. And results may vary, I'll say that, but it works for me. And yeah, it's kind of just what I'm doing today. Just relaxing outside and enjoying nature. It really is a beautiful day out, and that's why I'm just like, it's been really, really rainy and crappy here lately, to the point where like thunderstorms all day, and it has not been worth going outside because it's been so bad. But today it's absolutely gorgeous. It's hot, but it's not too hot. Like, I'm still in jeans and a t-shirt and I'm not going to die. So it's definitely hot out though, but look how beautiful that is. It's absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I'm enjoying it out here. Might end up with sunburn if I don't watch, but it is beautiful out here, so. Well, I'll see you guys next time.